Hi, it's Kassy. Thanks for joining me today. This is a super quick project, so don't blink or you might miss it. I really wanted to create an art journal page, but I wanted it to be on a board so I could hang it on the wall and look at it every day and remind myself of this message. I am using the Crafters Workshop Stencil and Dina Wakley's stamp set. And I am also using black modeling paste from the Crafters Workshop through that stencil. So I first figured out where I'm going to put that stamp so I don't put paste there. And then I worked that black modeling paste through the stencil and let it dry. Once it was dry, I'm coming back with a couple different colors of blue ink from Catherine Pooler, and I'm just going to stamp that, and I'm giving it a really good go because I want to make sure if it hits that modeling paste that the whole impression would be there, or most of it, and it worked out well. So then there are a couple phrases in the stamp set as well that I really like that just really were speaking to me today, and words that I need to remember and words that I think we all need to remember: to be kinder to ourselves and to others. We're all a work in progress. We're all, trying to do the best that we can, and we need to trust the path that we're on and know that it is going to serve us well. So, feeling a bit introspective today, but just really love these phrases and love that face. And I thought that this stencil went well with that. It's sort of the stencil pattern to me represents some chaos maybe in your head, but also once I put it on here, I was like, oh, it kind of looks like hair. So, I mean, it could serve dual purpose, and I'll let the viewer decide what works for them. So there it is, all done. I told you this was a quick one, but really pretty much love this, and I'm definitely going to hang it up right away. I hope you enjoyed it and found some inspiration today. If you did, maybe you could consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and hitting the bell so you don't miss future videos. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. Have a wonderful day.